Are you sure? I won't be breaking the law on my channel. Good evening. I'm here at the Nana BTS station and it just started to rain, so let me give you an update of Sukhumvit in the rain. Obviously the raining season already started, but we haven't had heavy rains yet. So actually it was a pretty nice day today. A lot of sun, but yeah, now in the evening it just took off. Somebody was mentioning in a previous video, said the raining videos of Global Travel Mate are as predictable as the raining season itself. Well, here we are, guys. It's in the middle of the European Championships football tonight. England is playing and they are up against Slovakia, and that starts at 11 o'clock, and I think this rain is not going to help with getting more people in the bars. Yeah, this is quite a heavy one. Of course, the traffic is always directly at a standstill. I mentioned in another video, we are here at the Bata Falls and they are going up completely now. Yeah, if you're in Bangkok during these days, then you better have your umbrella prepared, because you don't want to get caught in one of those. Yeah, so normally if I wasn't filming, I would definitely be walking up one of those skywalks here. But for the dramatic effect, It's better to walk on the street, right? We're here in front of Terminal 21. And nobody's getting out. The only way to get anywhere is go by taxi. And of course, all the taxis are stuck in traffic. So it basically just blocks the whole city when you get rain like this. Tons of people coming out of the BTS. Normally this takes about half an hour and then the rain lays down, so there's a big possibility that when the football starts around 11 o'clock that it's gonna be dry. Yeah,
this is the worst.
Come and join me, man.
Oh mate, no, I've got my suitcase.
Oh shit, are you going to your hotel or what?
Yeah.
Oh damn, where is it?
The continent. I think it's just there.
Yeah, okay.
Is it just there, yeah?
Yeah, I'll walk you there.
Mate, I got delayed in London. I was on the runway for 4 hours.
Okay, so you had
and then I've just landed.
You had an awesome day.
Oh mate, look at me.
Oh my god.
Worst.
But that's why we have the umbrella, right?
Yeah, go on, son. Easy.
What's your name?
Kim.
Kim.
Kim, K-I-M.
Okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Oh.
I'm doing my rain update for Bangkok.
Hey. I'm meant to be meeting a girl in above 11.
Okay.
Yeah, about 40 minutes ago.
Well, forget about that. Yeah, but it will lay down. Maybe in half an hour it will be fine again, right?
When can we cross?
Yeah. Wow.
Mate, this is the worst. I'm going to commit.
Are you sure? I won't be breaking the law on my channel, so I'm just gonna wait for the green light. But it takes ages here. Okay, there we go. And you know, when it really rains this hard, it will flood. So I think if you go to Sukhumvit Soi 23 now, it's probably a little canal. So this is actually the hotel where Kim had to go to. Well, he was around the corner, but completely soaked.
Okay, I will take care.
But this is part of coming to Bangkok. You might get stuck. And normally you just sit it out. Don't go and walk around in the rain. I mean, when you have an umbrella, of course, you can do that. But otherwise, it's no point. You just wait a little bit and then you should be fine. As you can see, there are no Thai people on the street. Everybody is just waiting in place. And it's actually already laying down a little bit. So let's have a quick walk and look in Soi 23. Yeah, as I mentioned, this is always flooded. So this is also the thing when you see my rain videos. Obviously, I am going to the places where I know there is a bit more water, and that doesn't mean that the whole city is flooded. You know, YouTube is also a bit about clickbait, a bit about sensation, and of course, this is more interesting to show than a street that is dry. the street is completely flooded. So this is the entrance to the infamous Soi Cowboy, which obviously is not very busy at the moment. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the raining day or the raining evening here in Sukhumvit. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.